All right, Sandy, you understand the challenge, right? The challenge is to see if we can get the seatbelt on. I don't know. All right. Okay. I need foot. Okay, come on. Okay. Okay. All right. The belts. The belts. All right.
What the hell did you go?
Okay. All right. Bye.
Where's the brake then? Where's the...
I don't think there is a brake. I'll put the stop. All right, here you go. Get your bearings. All right. Remember,
Don't lose your hat.
don't hit the center beam.
Okay.
All right, you're driving now, unassisted. You can do this. 1, 2,
No. Turn.
3,
Turn.
4,
No. Okay.
5,
I got this.
6, 7,
Slow down.
8,
Okay.
9,
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
10, 11. Oh, 12, 13, 14,
Let's
15,
go.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right. 25.
Oh, no, that's bigger. It's a bigger area.
It's all good. It's all good. 26.
Somewhat. 26 and a half.
No, that's just still 26. Oh, 27. 28.
Just stay on the beam and then I won't hit the beam.
There you go. Now you're figuring it out.
Might not be centered, but it works.
Yeah.
This is very slow.
Oh, no, it didn't be good. You're okay. You're okay.
Straight the wheel, no.
29. 30. What's the cancel?
Yes, oh. Going. Yeah, this is exactly to go.
Yeah, we're doing good. We're beating him. You're doing a straight line.
Hey!
Everyone else isn't, but you are. Uh-oh, can we get up to the... No. Okay, good. No, don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. That was almost a count. Oh, you're doing good. You're at 30.
Dan probably isn't even counting.
31. 32.
And slow.
33. 34.
Yeah. Yeah, don't press on the gas.
Almost done. 35.
I was trying that time.
Oh, that doesn't count. Oh, 35. Not bad. 35. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop. All right, here's yours. Okay, put it stuck in the bag. Hold that for a second, and I'll take it. There you go.
Didn't expect that to be so high.
I gotta go help Mom. She's out there. Gotta go that way. What's the number, Mom? 10. 10? 10? Well, we're not gonna, we did so well, we're not gonna tell you how much. 10.
I don't play racing games.
Oh, that's something's wrong there. 10.
How much you get
We don't need to worry about that.
yeah?
Yeah, we're all good.
Come on.
Well, see you next time.
You're the one that proposed to come on.
See you next time.
You're the one that proposed to come.
You have to get it from her.
Alright.
That's not good.